see so many of you gathered here to learn Mastercam. Mastercam basically it's one of the technology which part of digital manufacturing. Many of us started learning about talking more about digital when the demonetization happened. So digital money and digitization, everything we started more into that. But digitization started long back. It is in 1970s, 80s we see that digitization started. But we see more realistic fruits today because of Industry 4.0, smart factories and all that. So with that, the change into the importance of CAD/CAM, SIM, and the entire mechanical engineering is transforming into a new digital form. So that is how we'll see in a brief, couple of slides I will show you how it is transforming. And then we'll go towards our actual session of learning Mastercam, because many of you feel that no, I would like to go with CAE, or I would like to do my career in design engineering, or I would like to do as a some other field. But then why should I learn manufacturing? So for them it's something that anything and everything, like even if you are a design engineer, you are designing something, will that remain as a design itself, or will that get realized into a product? Definitely it has to get realized into a product. Even if you are a CE engineer, you do some analysis and try to suggest